welcome back now our esteemed members of the selection committee. Nandito po silang lahat and what a great list of people to have para kolektahin ang ating susunod na 10 magiging miyembro ng PBA Greatest List. Of course, not here with us is Sir Tim Marcel. Unfortunately, could not join us today. But here joining us is PBA Commissioner Willie Marshall and Deputy Commissioner Eric Castro. Nandito po silang lahat to present the final 2 additions to our 50 Greatest List. Coach Ronnie, who's at number 9?
Second to the last player, the other PBA greatest 50 players history is Novado Brand. Manny Victorino.
Manny Victorino, 1981 to 1996, played for Presto Shell, 7-Up Ginebra and Pure Food, 6-time PBA champion, 1984 most improved player, 3-time mythical first team, 5-time PBA All-Star, a deserving member of our next 10 in our greatest list of 50. Dire-diretso na natin. Benji, who is the next one? Who will complete our list?
Ito na, isang pangalan na lang ang natitira. Nalalaman natin yan. Katapos ng ating commercial. Ito na ang ating last addition para sa ating PBA Greatest IC Yoyoy, the Bicolano Superman,
Yes.
Benjamin.
Yes, completing our 50 greatest. Played from 1981 to 1998. Crispa, Manila Beer, Alaska, Sunkist, Pepsi, Mobiline at San Miguel. 9-time PBA champion. 1987 mythical first team, a 7-time all defensive team member, 3-time all-star, and 3-time PBA mythical second team. Congratulations to everyone
Yes,
na
sir.
nasali sa ating listahan sa PBA Greatest. We thank the committee for everything they did dahil napakahirap na trabaho ng inyong ginampanan for you to come up with these next 10. It's an honor for us to be able to reveal it with everyone. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Thank you.
How about another warm round of applause for our 10 players to join us on the PBA Greatest List. Let us send it to Bea this time for our last list of socials.
Thank you so much, Darla. And of course, there you have it. That completes the PBA 50 greatest players. And of course, to wrap up, let's hear the final thoughts on our PBA fans. Earlier during the break, a lot of them were definitely speculating a lot on those who just mentioned. A lot of them were mentioning second-time PBA champion.
Sasalita ka si Eric.
Scotty Thompson, a lot of them also were congratulating Arnie Duarte, nine-time champion, Manny Victorino as well, and of course, Yoyoy Benjamin, a Grand Slam champion, 9-time champion at that. And of course, we would like to thank all of the PBA fans chiming in and joining the conversation. Thank you very, very much. It's definitely been such a pleasure to join in on the conversation with all of you. Thank you very much. Now let's turn it back over to Mario.
Maraming salamat, Ms. Escudero, and now we are here para balikan kung sino nga ba yung mga 10 pangalan na lalagdag sa ating PBA 50 Greatest Players. And here is our complete list ng 10.
Nelson II, Jeffrey Cariaso, Junmar Lacraken Fajardo, Bob Hawkins, Aniki,
Danny Sigal, Scotty Thompson, Arnie Duarte, Manny Victorino, and Yoyoy Benjamin.
Muli po, isang masigamong palakpakan. Will officially resume on April 4, Friday at Ninoy Aquino Stadium for day 1 ng ating Philippine Cup. Bahagi pa lamang po ito ng ating grand celebration of our 50th anniversary in the PBA. And for more on the other events na ating hihintayin, we send it over to Deputy Commissioner Eric.
This 10 greatest player reveal is just a start of our celebration for this 50th anniversary of the PBA. And I'm inviting every PBA fans to join us on April 9 at Rizal Memorial Coliseum because we'll have a retro game between Meralco Bulls and San Miguel Beermen. And also, during the 49th season, we'll have mall tours. We'll try to refurbish different courts from all over the country, and we'll have merchandise with our 50th anniversary materials, and also we'll have a commemorative ball, a special ball to be used for the 50th season.
Thank you so much, Capcom Eric Castro. Again, we thank our PBA Commissioner, Willie Marshall, the members of the selection committee, and members of the press for attending this ceremony. Isang espesyal na araw po sa ating lahat dahil nakumpleto na natin ang listahan ng 50 greatest players in PBA history to celebrate our 50th anniversary in the PBA.
Maraming salamat po sa aming pamilya dito sa PBA at magkita-kita po tayo sa darating na Philippine Cup. Ako po si Pablo Bendy Moras.
And we salute the new members of the PBA's 50 greatest players. Thank you for watching. Thank you also for helping us. Ako po si Ronnie Gonzalez.
At ako po si Carlo Pamentuan. This has been the PBA 50 Greatest Players Announcement Ceremony presented by Starting Line. Maraming salamat po and